Hey, good people. If there's one specific resources that every especially beginner needs to have is the Reddit forum, right? Uh, the subreddit, the subreddit on the no no the yeah, on the Reddit forum. Yeah, I don't know what do they call it, subreddit or something like that, right? The keto side of it. That's a very rich resource, and it can help you with a lot of questions that you may be asking. And I recommend that every single beginner go to that site and just read through some of the things. The FAQs, especially, they're very good, right? Anyway, guys, yeah, those are my thoughts on it. I think it can help most of you, right? Anyway, guys, cheers, bye.